Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Chapter number 5 of our ebook of short tricks is going on, and I hope you have seen the first video in which I told you how to reduce a fraction in its simplest form using cancellation of common factors. Now this is an extension of that particular concept, and the concept which we are going to study in this video is the concept of equivalent fraction. That means the fractions which look different but their values are exactly the same, equivalent fractions. Okay, just like 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. 1 by 2 is 0.5 and 2 by 4 again is 0.5. The numerator and denominator are different but the value is same. So how to find equivalent fractions and how to solve questions based on that using the rule and finding the values of some unknown variables which will be given as equivalent fractions. That is the intention of this video. Was the complete video. There can be something really special in the video. So this is a part of our chapter number 5, the art of manipulating fractions. And if you want a compilation of all the short tricks, you need to send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896 369963. All these details of resources is there in the description of this video as well. So friends, equivalent fractions, and when we talk about equivalent, it is different from equal. Okay, equivalent means they look different but the values are same. So let's see what type of questions are there in equivalent fractions. So here you can see there is a question where we have four ratios which are separated by equal signs. 5 by 8 equal to 10 upon some variable a equal to b, another unknown variable, by 24, and then we have 20 divided by another variable c. So we want to find out what replaces a, b and c so that all four ratios they become equal. That means all four fractions they have the same value. And this is one of the easiest thing I enjoy doing. So let's see. First thing is look for a fraction which is known. That means a fraction in which there is no variable. Which is that fraction? In this case it is this fraction, 5 upon 8. So we know 5 upon 8 is 5 upon 8 only because 5 is prime number and 5 doesn't divide 8. So it is already in simplest form. Now to find a, the variable a, I will just equate these two and I will check how did 5 become 10. Now if that rule you follow, you will be finding the value of the unknown variable very quickly. How did you get the known value from the known value? Now the operation which you have to consider is only multiply or divide, not add. 5 plus 5 can give you 10, but I will not consider add or subtract. I will consider only multiply and divide. So 5 when multiplied by 2 gets you a 10, and so you have to do the same operation here, multiply by 2. So when 8 you multiply by 2, what do you get here? The value of a will be 8 2s are 16. And likewise the same thing, 5 upon 8, and now I will equate it to the other one, b upon 24. So 24 is obtained from 8, that is already known. You can't have two variables, you will only have one variable. So 24, how do you obtain 24 from 8? Multiply by 3. So just multiply 5 by 3, you will have your final answer. So b will be 5 times 3, 15. And how about the next one? 5 upon 8 again, the known thing and the unknown thing. Unknown is 20 upon c. And now I think all of you can guess very easily. How did I obtain 20 from 5? I obtained it by multiplying 5 by 4. And so I need to multiply 8 by 4 to get the value of c, and 8 times 4 is 32, which gives me the value of c. So a is 16, b is 15 and c is 32, and that actually creates all the equivalent fractions. Now we will speed up and we will check how quickly this method works. One more important thing, here x, y, z, and here we have a known fraction 70 upon 98. Now the first thing is to know that 70 upon 98 is not in the lowest form. It is simplifiable. That means there are some common factors between numerator and denominator. So what will I do? I'll divide this by 7 and divide this by 7 because I know 7 is a common factor. So 7 10 times is 70 and 7 1 times 7 4 times 28. 10 upon 14, still I can do it, right? Divide by 2, you get 5 by 7. And now 5 by 7 is what I wanted. I don't want 70 by 98. In place of this, I will write 5 upon 7 and then start doing first ratio x upon 7 equated to 5 upon 7. Then second ratio 10 upon y equated to 5 upon 7. Third ratio z upon 21 equated to 5 upon 7. And I'll get my answers now. 7 becomes 7 like this because here we have x, right? So you need to put the arrow other way around. So let's remove this. We don't want this, and we require an arrow like this because the variable is here. So 7 creates 7 on multiplication by 1. So you have to multiply this by 1. So x is 5 into 1 and that is 5. So x is 5. Likewise, here we have the variable. So how did we obtain 10 from 5? Multiply by 2. So just multiply this by 2. You get y is equal to 7 into 2, 14. And likewise, here how did 7 create 21? It is multiplied by 3. So you will multiply like this by 3 and the value of z will be 3 into 5, 15. See how quickly you can get the answers if you know this basic trick of equivalent fractions. Let's see one more question. Here you have 78 over 182. So the first thing is I will reduce 78 over 182. Obviously they are even numbers, so divisible by 2. This gives me 39 and this gives me 91. And now I can see that there is a common factor 13. If you divide 39 by 13, you get 3. And if you divide 91 by 13, you get 7. So 3 by 7. And so replace this by 3 by 7 and start equating 3 upon a equal to 3 upon 7. Secondly, b upon 42 equal to 3 upon 7. And then 48 upon c equal to 3 upon 7. Now start doing like this. How did we obtain 3 from 3? Multiply by 1. So multiply this by 1. You will get the answer. So a equal to 1 into 7, 7. How did we get 42 from 7? Multiply by 6. So multiply this by 6, you will get your answer. b equal to 6 into 3, 18. And then how did we get 48 from 3? Multiply by 16. So multiply this by 16, you will get your answer. So c will be 16 times 7, which is 112. And therefore the values of a, b, c are 7, 18 and 112. See, little basic understanding of the previous video coupled with the understanding of equivalent fractions creates such huge comfort space. So friends, if you like this video of equivalent fractions, do share it with all the junior students who are studying in class 5, 6, they are tackling these concepts. So if they are smart in this, they will surely excel in higher calculations as well. Like this video, and as soon as you click the like button, you will get the option of hyping the video. So give it some points, and I'm sure that this video will go to a bigger audience. So subscribe our channel and click the bell shaped icon so that you keep on getting all the notifications of future uploads on this amazing channel. Do 10-20 such questions and let me know, is this method working for you? All the best.